In honor of Cinco de Mayo and the Kentucky Derby, we're making mint julep margaritas. For this tasty treat, you'll need 2 limes cut, 2 teaspoons of superfine sugar, 10 fresh mint leaves, 2 ounces of bourbon, 1 ounce of orange liqueur, and 1/4 cup seltzer. Step number 1. Take your lime slices and put them in a cocktail shaker along with the sugar, mint leaves, and muddle well. You'll want to make sure you get as much juice out of the limes as possible and that the sugar fully dissolves. Step number 2. Add your 2 ounces of bourbon and the 1 ounce of orange liqueur, some ice, and shake well. Step number 3. Strain the shaker into a glass on the rocks or straight up, depending on your preference. And the final step, top with seltzer, garnish with a lime and mint leaf, and enjoy.